Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to start and begin by congratulating our very progressive farmers all over Pakistan for their commendable efforts to grow rice and other agri items which were exported last year, and there has been an increase of at least $3 billion in our agri export. And along with our progressive farmers, we must commend all four provincial governments, chief ministers, and provincial agriculture ministers and provincial agri secretaries, and of course, Federal Minister of Commerce and Agriculture, and all those who have played a pivotal role in contributing in our exports of agri products. But this is not enough. Pakistan, by the grace of God, has huge potential, which is till this point in time hasn't been fully exploited for a variety of reasons. And it is time that we really put our act together and do everything possible within our domain to produce more, create more surplus capacities by engaging Pakistani agri-experts, international experts, to increase our per acre yield by providing very healthy inputs, and of course, having access to most modern technologies and techniques